Hey folks, this is Hira Babu and you're watching programmingsuite.com. So today we are going to learn about the properties file, right? So what is properties file? See, I have just created a very simple program project here. What is the project we have? We have nothing is here. See here, we have very simple class that we have already learned about the hello world, right? And we have a resource folder. In the resource folder, we have spring.properties files. Nothing is there. I have just added one more thing here in the dependency, like say you can use dev tool right now or you can remove it, right? This is not required much more. So what is necessary is here you should be had a spring boot starter web, right? And another dependency you should have the starter, right? That is very simple and nothing is important for us, right? So I'm just showing you. So let's begin from here. Okay, so now if we are going to just run the project, how will go? Just run the project. You will see that project is running on the port. Which port? 8080, right? The project is running on the port 8080, right? So without any context, without any path, right? So now we are going to see we have a path here, right? So in this path what you are saying, it is running, right? So don't worry, no need to worry about it, right? So what we can see here that we can just change the application context properties file here. How we'll do that? Just import a spring properties definitions. So how we are going to do? We are changing the port. How we'll do? Spring server.port. I'm changing the port to 9000 and currently we have 8080 and the application like this, right? So this will get changed. I have saved this program. The program will get executed again. Why? Because we have added dev tool, right? So now you can see the server is running on the port 9000 now. So previously it was running on the port 8000, right? 8080. Now it is running on the port this application. So what you can see that this is a very simple program and you are going to learn, right? So let's understand and check, is this running or not? But you can see that now you can see that the project is not running on the port 8080, right? But the project is running on the port 9000, right? Why? Because we have just changed the port, right? Okay, thank you, we'll see you in the next lecture.